Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Kimutaku Gohan. Kimu means kimchi and taku means takuan, yellow pickled daikon radish. One day I saw it on the school lunch menu and I asked my daughter how was it. Then she said it was really good. I could complete everything. So I decided to make it at home and oh my gosh, it was really good. If you have never tried it, please try it out. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. The original recipe uses tsubozuke, kind of takuan. You want to cut all the ingredients into small pieces. If pork slices are difficult to find, you can use bacon instead. Either long onion, green onion is okay. Heat sesame oil in a frying pan. Cook the pork until no longer pink. Add kimchi, takuan, and long onions and cook until heated. Now season with soy sauce. Mixing rice to finish. And now it's done! By the way, Kimutaku Omurice is really good as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
おいしい。
小学校で食べたキムタクご飯はこんなやつでしたか？
たくあんが入ってない。
入ってないぐらいちっちゃかったんだね。なるほど。
チャンネル登録お願いします。ケットボタン押してね。